Why is expanding participation in clinical trials so important? Well, put simply, expanding participation in trials helps us to understand how well a treatment works in all the people who may need it. Your listeners may not know it, but too often the patients who are most affected by certain diseases are left completely out of the clinical trials for the drugs to treat those diseases. And that means we may not fully understand how well a treatment works for all the people who may need it. So when treatments are tested in only a narrow or homogeneous group, what can happen is researchers may miss critical information, such as the side effects or safety concerns that could affect the groups or the people or the populations that are not included in that study. So quite simply, broadening participation actually improves the science. And that's what this program is setting out to do, to expand participation in clinical research, to strengthen the evidence behind new treatments, to drive better health outcomes for everyone, and to save lives.
So when I say what is the one thing that we do better in our program than any other program in the United States, is that we're training a generation of community-oriented clinical trialists who know that they must ask and how to ask communities and how to educate communities. That really is the basic blocking and tackling of why this program is outperforming any other program in the United States at this point on getting those rural and at-risk communities on the trials, is because when people know that you care, then they will actually do things for you that will benefit their own communities and themselves.